January 2012. A mysterious image appears on 4chan. Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. This started Cicada 3301, the world's most elaborate internet puzzle. Hidden messages and images, coordinates leading to real-world posters in cities worldwide, ancient runes, prime numbers, dark web links, even music steganography with clues. Thousands hunted for answers. Some solved stages, but the final ones vanished. 3 puzzles in 2012 to 2014. Then silence. No one knows who created it. Intelligence agency recruitment. Secret society. Hoax. In 2026, the last unsolved parts still haunt the web. No winner ever claimed a prize. No explanation. Is Cicada 3301 still watching? Or was it a call to something darker? What do you think they wanted? Comment your theory. Subscribe to CoreCurios for more digital enigmas and unsolved online horrors. Next one, soon hit T-Bell.